Hi guys, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hi, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Anyone please respond? Hello. Anyone please respond? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Pravalika. Thank you. Yeah. So let us start session. Day 2. Second day. Yes, sir. Day 1, nothing discussed. Yes, yesterday's topic. Let me review about yesterday's one. Day 1. Yeah. So 8:15 p.m. So day 1. The yesterday session topics. So day 1, all introductions only. Day 1, all are introductions, like about myself, yes, about your course, and then course content, what is prerequisites, and job opportunities, and all that explained yesterday. On day 1, all introductions, all are introductions explained here. So let me review. Yesterday topic, within 5 minutes, I'll finish review. So first of all, about myself. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao, having 20 plus years of experience. Having 20 plus years of experience. See, my area of experience as a Java full stack. Presently, I'm working as Java full stack developer. Next, apart from big data, Hadoop, Linux, this area also I worked. Next, databases, Oracle, MySQL, these things here. Okay. Yes, in my whole career, 16 projects completed. 16 completed, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on big data Hadoop. Now 17th project on Java full stack. Right? E-commerce application. We are developing e-commerce application. Yes, the Spring Boot microservices, Oracle database using React.js. So Spring Boot microservice backend application. This is database, Oracle database, front end React.js. Currently working for this company. Tech Private Limited. My role. Yes, principal Java full stack developer. My role. Yes, in this company is a senior role. Principal means senior role. Yes, end to end. I'll be involving in this project end to end development, testing, and deployment. All the end to end development. Involving in end to end development. Okay. Yes, development as a training experience. I have both experience here, development and training experience. Training also very good experience. Okay. Training. Yes. Since last, yes, almost more than 7 years, taking online classes for Durgasoft. So now getting time, maybe evening hours, getting one session, morning hours, so one session, taking 2 sessions. Okay. Yes. So training also very good experience. Yes, hybrid system currently. So Monday, Tuesday, office. Yes, Wednesday to Friday, work from home. So that's all about myself. Lot of development as well as training experience. Both I have the experience. Okay. Yes, about your course. Java full stack developer. Yes, total duration of 5 months. Suppose if you want to core Java only, yes, only core Java also you can take it. If you want to only core Java, that also you can take it. Yes, if it is core Java 60 days, core Java 60 days, Java full stack means 5 months. 5 months. Yes, about your course content. Course content. Yes. So Java full stack, yes, duration that 5 months. Yes, suppose if you take me parallelly, database classes and AI parallelly, yes, 3 to 4 months you can finish. Daily 2 sessions. Suppose if you are free, yes, suppose if not working, maybe free here. If you able to take the 2 sessions daily, 3 to 4 months you can finish. Max 4 months you can finish. If it is only one session, 5 months. Only one session, 5 months. Okay. Yes, core Java, only core Java, 60 to 65 days. Only core Java. So first initially starting with core Java. Initially starting with core Java. 1 second. Java full stack content. Let me show that content. Java full stack developer, JFSD. Java full stack developer course. So Java full stack developer. See Java full stack developer. Java full stack developer means all three roles, like a front end developer, back end application developer, and database developer. See, this is your web application. Web application. Here there is a yes. This is here is a front end. This is front end back end. So front end back end. So front end browser environment. So who are working on this area? So this is EA developer, backend application, Java application. So backend Java developer, next database developer. So totally three roles, right? Totally three roles in application development. So who are working all three roles? All three roles is a full stack. All three roles is a full stack. All three roles is a full stack. So Java full stack developer roles. So front end developer. Yes, next. Yes, backend application developer, database. So all three roles is a Java full stack. See Java full stack content. See that course content, front end. Yes, all these UI technologies. Just we are covering these technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Yes, it's a front end part. Next, when come to backend, Java modules. So these are Java modules like core Java, hard Java. Yes, next frameworks. Hard Java, JDBC, Solids, JSP, JSTL, MEC. Yes, MEC architecture. CRUD applications. Here two, yes, projects here. Two projects in Advanced Java. Frameworks. These things. JUnit, Log4j, Maven, Hibernate, JDBC template, Spring modules, Spring Core, Spring ORM, Spring MEC. So here are also two applications with two projects. Next, Spring Boot. Yes, Spring Boot MEC. Okay, here are also two applications. Then finally, microservices. Totally six projects. Totally here, six projects covering. Totally six projects. Six projects. Next, tools. So these are the tools using in development: Eclipse, Maven, JUnit, Log4j, STSS. So these are things using. So these are Java modules. Syllabus in Java modules. Next, database, Oracle database. That's it. So for all of these things, documentation is available. See, for everything, documentation is see. MN Rav. Yes, core Java documentation completely. Next, yes, advanced Java documentation, all this advanced Java documentation, and then frameworks documentation, frameworks, design patterns, Hibernate, JPA, JUnit, Log4j, Maven, Spring, okay, web services, and all these microservices and all these, right? All the documentation, very clear documentation is there. All that very clear documentation. So clear documentation on every topic. Yes, these are all the documents for you only. All the documents for you. So this is about Java, your syllabus, Java full stack syllabus. Front end, next back end, Java modules and database, Oracle database. Oracle database. You're fine. Right? Yes, first initially starting with the core Java. Initially starting with the core Java. Yes, duration 60 to 65 days. Monday to Saturday classes, only Sunday holiday. Okay. Yes. At any cost, I'll finish within 65 days. No doubt. Never giving holidays, never canceling class here. Okay. So Monday to Saturday, definitely classes will be there. Never giving holidays, only Sunday holiday. Okay, right? Time 8:15 to 9:30, 75 minutes. Okay. So with the committed time is committed time. My dedication will be like that. Okay. Next, daily, yes, recorded sessions, sharing to your Gmail ID. So everyday recorded sessions getting here. Okay. Class documents, coding examples, and interview questions, everything will be shared. About fee, someone is asking about fee here. Full stack, Java full stack 15,000. If it is only core Java, 3,000. Core Java 3,000, Java full stack, total course 15,000. Right? Yes. So here core Java content. First, initially, software basics. Next, Java basics, Java data types, and then Java operators, control statements here. Okay. So here basics. So initially, so first 30 days, these topics. First 30 days, focus on coding skills. Yes, going to explain 100 plus programs. Here I will explain 100 plus programs. Here, main focus on coding skills. Main focus on coding skills. Next, logic building, coding skills, and thinking skills. Our main focus on improving your coding skills. Okay, improving your coding skills. Okay, see, every developer required minimum coding skills. Java developer, Python developer, .NET developer, Salesforce developer. Now, every developer required that coding skills. Yes, main focus on that coding skills. Next, when come to yes, next we arrays with DSA. Data structures and algorithms. DSA I will cover with arrays. DSA topic. Yeah, in collections DSA. Yes, in arrays and collections. In both areas, yes, I'll be covering DSA part also. Right? Next, after jobs, string handling, exception handling, collections, IO streams, multi-threading, networking. So finally, main focus on Java 8 features. Last 1 week completely on Java 8 features. Okay. Next, 11 and 17, these things. Okay. In our daily classes using Java 17. In daily classes using Java 17 only. Okay, right? Yes. So here, your course, daily recorded sessions getting here. Your daily class document getting 300 plus programs by the time of finishing course. 300 plus interview questions, daily coding, and Java 8 features. So these are the things getting here, right? So what is prerequisite? Nothing. I'm not expecting anything from you guys. No expectations. Non-native background student also can understand my topics here. Yes, I'll be starting from the basics. Yes, I'll be starting from the basics. Okay, so before going to Java, there are some software basics. Before going to Java, they'll start from the basics. After finishing software basics, I'll go to Java. See, yeah, this is Java document. Yeah, that 7 o'clock batch. Yes, 7 o'clock batch. Taken this today topic. Yes, 7 o'clock batch. Just only yes, 4 classes ahead of you. That batch also merging into your batch. So by the end of this week, that batch also merging into your batch. I think by the end of this week, your batch and that batch together maybe around 15 to 16 members will be there. Yes, 15, more than 15 members. No doubt. 1 5, more than 15. Yes, guys, don't feel. Yes, your batch is some few members. No, it's not few. Yes, last week, just 4 days ago, only we started it. 7 o'clock batch. That batch also merging into your batch. Finally, your time is fixed. 8:15 is fixed. Okay. So that batch around 13 to 14 members are there and your batch. So around 15 to 20 definitely finally batch. By the end of this week, yes, it will be around yes, 16 or 17 maybe. Okay, fine. Yes, let us see. Maybe 20 members finally. By the end of this week, it will be 20 members. Definitely, no doubt. 20 members means a good batch nowadays. Present market situations, 20 members Java batch is very good batch. No doubt. Yeah. So here introduction to software. This topic tomorrow will start. Software introduction. Yes, today day 2. So this is all is completed here. So yesterday, yes, about myself, introduction completed. About your course, introduction completed. About course content, yes, completed. Prerequisites. So and all is completed day 1. Day 1. Now let us start day 2. Day 2. Day 2. So day 2 today about Java. Let us start just about Java. About Java. Yes, not actual Java, just Java overview. Today going to discuss about Java overview. Is not actual Java. So before going to there are software basics. So first of all, I'll explain about all the software basics like system software, application software. Next about operating system. Okay, these things. Next low level languages, high level languages, low level, high level languages. Next interpreter, compiler, all that basics. After finishing all that basics, I'll go to Java. Today topic about Java. Today topic about Java. Java overview. let us say about Java overview. Yes, first one. So what is exactly Java? What is Java? First one, what is Java? Next, about Java history. Java history. Yes, next. So why Java has, yes, this much of popularity? Why Java has, yes, this much of popularity? This much of, yes, popularity. Why Java has this much of popularity? Okay, so what is Java? Java history. Why Java has this much of popularity? Next, what is present? Yes, Java situation of Java. Present position in market. Present position of Java. So what is present position of Java? What is present position of Java? Next, what is feature of Java? What is feature of Java? So these are two topics. So these are two topics. So first of all, so what is Java? Yes, Java history. Beginning to today, what was happened with Java from the beginning, 1996 to today? What was happened? Yes, why Java has this much of popularity? See, software. Yes, most of the software engineers talking about Java, right? Software industry. Java is a most popular. Java is a topmost technology. Java is a topmost technology in software field, right? Why? Why Java has this much of popularity? Right? Okay, fine. Next, what is present position of Java? Suppose maybe doubt. Suppose learning Java. After learning Java, maybe with lot of efforts and all this, maybe 4 to 5 months learning Java. 4 to 5 months learning Java full stack. After finishing Java full stack, can I get the Java or not? That is also doubt, right? I will explain clearly today. Okay, the topic I will clear. Okay, after learning Java, so what happens to Java? Can I get the Java or not? Java or not? Yes, what are job openings and all that, right? I'll explain very clearly. Next, so what is future of Java? See, nowadays AI booming, right? Yeah, AI, everyone talking about AI, right? Suppose if AI comes, what happens to Java? Suppose here learning Java for 6 months. Yes, so maybe with your lot of efforts, yes, getting job. After getting job, can I survive for long time or not? That is also important. When you choosing any field, yes, minimum 10 years you must work, right? See, every time changing field is not easy, right? Yes, every time updating it's not easy. Okay, see, nowadays, yes, most of the softwares just within 1 hour, sorry, within 1 year only, coming and going, right? Coming and going. So every time learning new software, it's not easy. Yes, updating versions, okay, fine. Updating, okay, but completely new software is not easy. Okay, yes. So what is future of Java? Okay, so at least 10 years, right? Minimum 10 years. So can I survive with Java or not? After getting job, can I survive or not? So this is today's agenda. Complete overview. Okay, tomorrow going to start subject. Tomorrow starting subjects from the basics. Tomorrow I'll start from the basics. Tomorrow starting from the basics. Today just Java overview. Okay. Yes. First of all, what is first question? What is Java? First question. Yes. What is Java? Yes, you guys, anyone? Can you answer? What is your idea about Java? See, maybe some idea framed in your mind, right? About Java. Maybe some idea, right? Yes. What do you think about Java? Yes, maybe little bit idea framed in Java. Anyone can you answer? Of course, I'll explain. Just I'm asking your idea. Yeah. Okay. Let me answer. So what is Java? So very simple answer. So what is a very simple answer? Yes, very simple. Java is an OOP language. Java is an OOP language. So Java is one of the OOP languages. Yes, OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. OOP stands for, yes, Objective. Yes, Oriented Programming. Yes, OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. So what is Java? Java is an OOP language. Java is an OOP language. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. So Java is one of the OOP languages like C++. There are many OOP languages: C++, Java, Python, Scala, .NET, like that many OOP languages. So Java is one of the OOP languages. Java is one of the OOP languages. So what is Java means? Simple answer. Yes, it's a OOP language. It's a OOP language. See, maybe attending interview as a fresher, maybe first question, what is Java? As a fresher facing this question, right? What is Java? Yes, no confusion. Simple answer is OOP language. Java is OOP language. Okay, fine. Next, let us say about Java history. Java history. From beginning to today, what was happening in Java? Let us say about Java history. Java history. JDK. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Yes, JDK is a Java software. JDK is a, yes, Java software. So JDK is a Java software. JDK. So JDK, Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. So JDK is a Java software. JDK is a Java software. Yes, initially Java software. JDK initially, yes, yes, initially development started by James Gosling. Yes, development. Initially Java development started by James Gosling. Yes, Gosling. James Gosling. Okay. So JDK is a Java software. So initially Java development started by James Gosling. So James Gosling is an author of Java. Yes, maybe asking this question also. Who is author of Java? Who is author of Java? James Gosling is an author. Is an author of Java. James Gosling is an author of Java. So who is author of Java? Means simple answer. James Gosling is an author of Java. Okay, right? Yes, later, yes, later taken over by Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems, ESA. ESA, right? And released as Sun Java. Okay. So initially James Gosling started development. Later taken over by Sun Microsystems, ESA. Sun Microsystems, ESA. Okay. And released as, yes, released as Sun Java. Released as Sun Java. So initially it was named as Sun Java. Initially it was named as Sun Java, right? Yes, next in the year 2010. Yes, in the year 2010. Yes, in the year 2010. Yes, the Sun Microsystem, this company, Sun Microsystems, this company, yes, was taken over by Oracle Corporation. Was taken over by, so Oracle Corporation. So Oracle Corporation. So Oracle Corp. Okay. So taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Yes, in the year 2010, Sun Microsystems was taken over by Oracle Corporation. Now it is calling as, yes, now, yes, it's a Oracle Java. Now it is calling, yes, calling as Oracle Java. Now it's a Oracle Java. Now it's a, so Oracle Java. Okay. Now it's a Oracle Java. Now it's a Oracle Java. Yes. So to download Java, you have to go to Oracle site. Go to Oracle site, then downloading Java. Yes, later I'll explain how to download, how to install those steps, all that later we'll discuss. Now it is calling as Oracle Java. Okay, fine. Now, first version of Java, JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 is the first version of the first version of JDK 1.0, first version of Java. Okay, JDK 1.0, JDK 1.0, first version of Java, first version of Java, yes, released, yes, released in the year, yes, 1996. JDK 1.0, so JDK 1.0, first version of Java. JDK 1.0 is a first version. So first version of Java released in the year 1996. 1 second. Before 1996, alpha and beta versions released in the year 1995. Alpha and beta versions. Alpha and beta versions. Alpha and beta versions released. Released in the year 1995. 1995. Alpha and beta versions. See, 1996 is a public release. So first version of Java released to public in the year 1996. 1996. See, alpha and beta versions. So before public release, there is a alpha and beta versions released in the year 1995. So what is alpha and beta versions here? Alpha and beta versions. See, alpha version. See, alpha version means is a first tested version. Alpha version. Yes, alpha version means first tested version. First tested version. So before going to release, there are some testing versions. First tested version. Yes, what is beta version? Beta version is final tested version before releasing to the yes public. So final tested version, final tested version, final tested version. See, that may be product or project, maybe product, maybe project, product or project. So initially alpha versions and beta versions. Okay, yes. Next, public release 1.0. Yes, maybe product or project. Product or project first version is 1.0. Before 1.0, alpha version, beta versions. Product and project may be doubt here. So product, software products and software project. What's the difference here? Product and project. So what's the difference here? Anyone idea? Yes, already anyone maybe in software field. Anyone may be in software field. Tell me what is products and what is projects? What's the difference exactly? Anyone idea? Of course, I'll explain clearly. Yeah, let me explain. So what is exactly product? Product, it is for, yes, public. Public, it is for public. Okay, yes, taking just purchasing, licensing and using here. So product, it is for the public. Public. Yes, taking license and using simply. Taking license, using simply. That is product. So product means, yes, project means it is for specific client. It is for specific client. Okay. So product, it is for public. Product is for the public, taking license and using. For example, Windows OS is a product, right? Windows is a product. So Windows OS is a product. Okay, just taking license using simply. Windows OS is a product. Right? Next, project, it is for the specific client. For example, banking applications. Banking applications are projects, right? Banking applications are projects. So e-commerce applications are projects. They are not products here. Okay, banking applications, e-commerce applications. Okay, all are projects. See WhatsApp. What is WhatsApp? Product. WhatsApp is a product. Of course, free or cost available. Zoom is a product. Zoom is a product. Yes, we are taking Zoom license. We are paying and using the Zoom, right? So product. So product is for public, just taking license and using simply purchasing license using simply, that is product. Project means it is for specific client. Yes, project. Client will give the requirements. Client will give the requirements. As per the requirements, we'll develop the project and deliver to client. Yes, maybe product or project. Product or project initially half and beta versions. Okay. Yes, that could be project or product. Both cases, there is alpha version and beta versions. Alpha version, first tested version, beta version, final tested version. Right? Yes, next 1.0 is a release. 1.0 first release. 1.0 first release to public or client here. Client release, client release or public release. So first release 1.0. First release is 1.0. Now come to Java. Yes, JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. First version of Java. First version of Java released to public. First version of Java released to public in the year 1996. 1996. Released to public in the year 1996. Okay, right? So initially it was named as Sun Java. 1996 Sun Java. Right? Yes, this JDK 1.0. Yes, so first version. JDK 1.0. Yes, released. The JDK 1.0 released with the below features. Released with, yes, initial versions. Initial version features. Yes, below features. Right? So JDK 1.0. So JDK 1.0 first version released with below features. There are many features added in Java. Many features, version-wise features later I'll explain. Version-wise later we'll discuss. So first initially 1.0 released with below features. So first one, yes, Java is an independent platform. First one, yes, independent. Yes, independent of platform. Yes, independent of platform. Independent of platform. So Java is an independent platform, right? Next, Java is a portable. Yes, it's a portable. It's a portable. So what is independent platform portable? We'll discuss one by one. Java is a portable. Java is a portable. Next, third one. Yes, hoop language. Java is an hoop language. Hoop language. The hoop language features. Independent platform, portability, hoop language. Next, fourth one, scalability. 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 Next, fifth one, security. Security. So these are initial features of Java. So JDK 1.0 first version of Java released with these features here. These are initial features. Later added many features. Later version-wise many features added. Those things next we'll discuss. Okay. So what is independent platform portability group language about these features? Next sessions I'll explain. Today just Java overview. Today just only Java overview. Yes, about all that features I'll explain next. In couple of days getting this topic again. Okay, fine. So JDK 1.0, next JDK 1.1 is next version of Java. JDK 1.1 next version. Yes, released in the year, yes, 1997. So 1.1 in 1997 here. Yes, what was happened this year in this version here? JDK 1.1. In this version, Java divided. Java, yes, divided into, yes, 3 editions. Actually, totally 4 editions of Java, but initially only 3 editions. Okay. Yes, Java divided into 3 editions. 3 editions. Later fourth one added. Later fourth one. Later fourth one. Initially only 3 editions. So initially 3 editions. Okay. So JDK 1.1 released in the year 1997. So in JDK 1.1, Java divided into 3 editions. 3 editions. So first one, yes, Java Standard Edition, JSE. Yes, Java Standard. Java Standard, yes, Edition. So first one, Java Standard Edition. Yes, next one, JEE. Yes, Java Enterprise Edition. Java, yes, Enterprise. Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Java Standard Edition. And next, Java Enterprise Edition. And next, third one, GME, 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 Java Micro Edition. So these three initially here, Java Micro Edition. Okay, so JDK 1.1 released in the year 1997, second version of Java in the year 1997. So you can Java divided into three editions: Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, a Java Micro Edition. What is purpose of different editions? I'll explain. Just wait. Purpose of different editions also we'll discuss. Wait. So next after this JDK, yes, 1.2. Next 1.3. Yes, 1.4. Next 1.5. From 1.5 onwards, calling it Java 5, Java 6 like that. Java 5. Yes, Java 6. Yes, Java 7. Yes, Java 8. Yes, most important one Java 8. Java 8. Yes, Java 9. Yes, up to Java 22 release date. Okay. Yes, in our class, yes, I'm using Java 17. Java 17. Okay. So Java 17. Yes, industry. Yes, most of the companies using Java 8 only, sir. So you can main focus on Java 8. Out of this, main focus on Java 8 features. Yes, most of the companies using Java 8. Most of the companies. So most of the companies using Java 8. So our main focus on Java 8 features. Java 8 features. Next, Java 11 and Java 17. Yes, in our office, our project development is Java 17. We are using now Java 17. We are using Java 17. Yes, I will focus on three versions here. Java 8, Java 11, Java 17. So all these versions here. So here, so JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. So first version released with these features. They are initial features. Later added many features. So next JDK 1.1. In 1.1, Java divided into three editions. Java divided into three editions: Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Micro Edition. Right? Yes, in this Java 5. So one of the important version Java 5. Java 5. Java 5. Yeah, Java 5, this is called as Tiger version. One of the important versions. Yes, is a Tiger version. Tiger version. Tiger version released in the year, yes, 2004. Java 5 is a Tiger version. Java 5 is a Tiger version released in the year 2004. Yes, in this version, many features were added here. So many features are added. Yes, including fourth edition. Yes, including fourth edition. Including fourth edition JFX. Fourth edition JFX. JFX means JavaFX. JFX. Java FX. JFX. Okay. Java 5. Called as Tiger version here. Many features were added, including fourth edition JFX, right? JavaFX. Yes, with Java 5, it got the success in the market here. With Java 5, yes, with Java 5, it got the success because of its features. Yes, with Java 5, it got the success. Finally got the success with Java 5. Okay, finally got the success with Java 5. So 2004, Java got the success in the year 2004. So when it was released here, 1996, right? Java was released in the year 1996. To get the success, how many years? 8 years taken. Yes, 1996 to 2004, almost 8 years it was taken to get the success. Right? Reason, yes, 90s period, Microsoft, most popular. Microsoft Corporation, most popular. Yes, it was the leader. 90s period, Microsoft was the leader in the software field, right? To overcome that competition, it was taken, yes, almost 8 years. Okay. Now Java has lot of popularity. Java is the most popular in the market. Yes, compared to any other technology here, Java is a leader, no doubt. Java is a leader in the software field. Java is a leader. Okay, fine. Now, so finally, Java divided into four editions here. Finally, yes, Java divided into yes four editions. Four editions, right? Finally, Java divided. Finally, Java divided into four editions here. Four editions. So these three editions plus effects, right? So these three editions plus fourth one JFX. Fourth one JFX. So Java effects. Java effects, right? Yes. Let us see. What is the purpose of these editions here? Okay. Java standard edition, Java enterprise edition, Java migration, Java effects. So what is the purpose of all these editions? Let me explain clearly here. So first of all, Java standard edition. Java standard edition. Yes, it's a completely Java technology. So what is exactly Java standard edition? Yes, it's a Java technology. Yes, it's a Java technology. Just Java technology. Yes, core Java comes under this category. Core Java is a Java standard edition. It's a core Java. Java standard edition. It's a core Java. Core Java, right? Yes, learning technology. That core Java coding. Core Java coding. Coding, right? Core Java coding comes under standardization. So once you good at that core Java coding, then easy to work on Java here. So next level is very simple. If you good at core Java, Java is nothing. Frameworks and next level topics are very simple and easy to understand here. Very easy. Only the thing is you should be good at core Java. Yes. So Java standardization, it's a completely Java technology. Java code, just learning Java coding. Java coding, right? So this is, yes, our syllabus is this part. Our syllabus is Java standardization. If you good at core Java, Java is nothing here. A core Java has that much of important. Okay. If you good at core Java, you can work on any technology in software field. Not only Java full stack here. Yes, you can choose different tools in the market. If you good at core Java, you can choose many. Yes, there are many tools are there. Java based tools. Java based tools. Yes, around 50 tools are available. Around 50 tools are there in the market. Java based tools. Okay. Yes, if you good at core Java, yes, easy to survive in the software field. Easy to survive. Okay, fine. So Java coding. Okay, fine. Next, Java Enterprise Edition. So what is Java Enterprise Edition? Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's application development. Yes, it's an application development. Java application development. It's an application development. Yes, it's an application development. It's an application development. Okay, right? Yes, Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's an application development. It's an application development. Application development. Applications, apps. See, in our daily life, we are using many applications, right? In our daily life, we are using many applications. Okay. Day to day life, many applications. See, check your mobile. There are many applications in your mobile, right? In your mobile, there are many applications. So, which is mostly used application in your mobile? You guys tell me. So, which is mostly used application in your mobile? Anyone? Simple answer. Which is mostly used application in your mobile? Which is mostly used application in your mobile? There's no one, guys. Simple question. WhatsApp, right? Very simple answer. WhatsApp is a mostly used application, right? In your mobile, there are many applications. So WhatsApp is a mostly used application, right? See, nowadays without WhatsApp, even we can't survive, right? Yes, that situation has become like this. Okay, everyone, not only software engineers, for every person, it has become mandatory WhatsApp for communication purpose. So with WhatsApp, yes, we are able to communicate easily. Instead of calling somebody, just using what sending messages, so giving information. That's it. Okay. So WhatsApp, yes, Facebook, okay, yes, Insta, right? Insta. Next, online trading applications, online trading apps. Okay, like e-commerce applications, online trading applications. Okay. Yes, next banking applications. Yes, banking apps. Like there are many applications, right? In our day-to-day life, we are developing, yes, we are using many applications. Yes, to develop the such kind of things. Yeah, these kind of applications we can develop using enterprise edition. So enterprise edition, it's application development. First learning core Java of learning core Java coding, just going for development. Okay. Yes, it's an application development. Enterprise sub edition. It is for application development. Right? Yes, this kind of applications. This kind of application, right? Yes, see, Hot1 Java, Hot1 Java and frameworks. Hot1 Java and frameworks comes on this category here. So enterprise edition, Hot1 Java and frameworks, both are comes under enterprise edition. So advanced Java and frameworks. So what is framework? I'll explain now. So what is a framework? We'll discuss. So advanced Java and frameworks both are enterprise editions. Both are comes under enterprise editions. Okay, fine. Next, next one, micro edition. So what is micro edition? Yes. So what is Java micro edition? Yeah, this is mobile application development. Micro edition is for the, yes, mobile applications development, mobile application development, mobile application development. So this is for mobile application development, using for mobile application development. Okay. Yes, now presently industry using Android. Okay. Industry using Android for the mobile application development. Yeah, this Android is a core Java based. Yes, it's a core Java based. If you good at core Java, then easy to work on Android here. Android. Industry using Android for the mobile application development. Yes, is a core Java based. If you good at core Java, then easy to work on Android. Easy to work on Android here. Okay. So this micro edition is not in use. Yes, you guys don't worry. Don't worry. So not necessary to learn this one here. It is not necessary to learn it here. Leave it. Okay, right? Yes. Next one. Yes, Java effects. Java effects. Java effects. Yes, what's the purpose of this one here? So this is for visual effects. Yes, visual effects in movies. Yeah, visual effects in movies. Right? Yes, nowadays most of the filmmakers are depending on the VFX, right? VFX. Most of the filmmakers depending on VFX. Okay, right? Yes, even for visual effects also. Now currently using, yes, Adobe Premiere software. Yes, Adobe. Yes, Adobe Premiere software. So here JavaFX, yes, JFX are this is not in use here. Not in use. Adobe Premiere software. Okay, so market using Adobe Premiere software for VFX. It's a most popular Premiere software. It's a most popular for VFX. See here visual effects in movies. For example, Avatar 1 and 2, right? James Cameron. Yes, Avatar 1 and 2. Yes, completely graphics, right? That VFX are like that. Okay, right? Next, yes, like Titanic, right? Titanic movie. Cameron movies, right? Avengers. Yes, next, Indian movies. Famous Indian movies. Bahubali, right? Bahubali 1 and 2. So Bahubali 1 and 2, right? Okay. Yes, that Bahubali 1 and 2. Yes, famous Indian movies, right? That Rajamouli sir, right? He will be, yes, he is crazy about VFX. Next, Triple R. Like this, there are many movies. Okay, like Adipurush. Like that, there are many movies, right? So most of the filmmakers are depending on visual effects nowadays. So for this, Adobe Premiere software is available. So Java effects also not in use. So you guys don't worry about these two versions here, these two editions, not necessary to learn. Just you have to focus on only these two. Just you have to focus on Java Standard Edition and Java Enterprise Edition. Only these two things enough. Only these two things enough. So Java Standard Edition is a Java technology learning core Java coding. After learning core Java coding, then moving to application development here. So moving to application development, if you good at core Java, yes, it's very simple to work on frameworks. Very simple and easy to work on frameworks. So what is exactly framework? See frameworks. So what is a frameworks? So there are different frameworks in Java. Around 20 frameworks are there in Java. Yes, most popular frameworks are yes, Spring. Yes, so previously initially Struts framework is a but outdated. Struts framework. Yes, outdated. Yes, 10 years, 15 years ago outdated. No one is in here. 15 years ago outdated. So not necessary to learn it. Struts framework. Next, Hibernate. Hibernate framework. Okay, next. Yes, Spring framework. Spring framework. Next. Spring Boot. Spring Boot frameworks. Right. Next. Spring Boot. Next, microservices. Microservices framework here. Okay, right. And then yes, Hadoop framework. There are Java-based frameworks. Hadoop and Spark frameworks. Like this, there are many frameworks. Yes, OAF, ADF. There are many frameworks. So Oracle application framework. Right. Next. Yes, ADF framework like this. There are many Java frameworks. Selenium framework. Okay. Yes, next. Like this, there are many frameworks. Right. Now presently here, yes, Java frameworks. So Hibernate, Spring Boot, Microservice. These are most popular. Our course, this focus on these frameworks. Okay. Yes. So these frameworks also like this. There are many frameworks in the market. Yes, more than 20 Java frameworks are there. Right? Yes, now here main focus on these frameworks here. Currently market using mainly these frameworks. Okay, fine. So what is exactly framework? So what is a framework? Yes, let me explain. So what is a framework? What's a framework? So what's a framework? See, framework is a ready-made architecture. Yes, framework. Yes, is a ready-made. Okay, so ready-made software product. Ready-made software product. Software product. Yes, is a semi-implemented software product. It's a semi-implemented. It's a semi-implemented. 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 Semi-implemented software product here. Yes, it's ready-made one. It contains all predefined components. So framework, it's a semi-implemented software product. Semi means, see, 80% of code already developed. 80% of code already developed in the framework. Already developed, right? Developed. So only 20% of code you have to develop. As a Java developer, only 20% of codes by the Java developer. By the Java developer. So as a Java developer, manually you have to develop only 20% of codes. Okay. Yes, already ready-made product that is already available. So 80% of code already developed. Only 20% of code you have to develop it here. See, for example, for understanding purpose, I'll tell you one example here. For example, ready-made houses, right? Ready-made houses. Ready-made houses, right? See, ready-made houses. every component, all are readily available, like walls, doors, ceiling, electrical fittings, and all are readily available, right? Yes, we can take it, we can assemble that, right? To assemble that ready-made as how many days required? Only 2 or 3 days max, that's it. Really, if you want to construct some new house means taking more time, maybe taking 1 year, right? Yes, if it is ready-made house, just 2 to 3 days. Okay, so framework is exactly like a ready-made house. All components available in framework. In framework, already, yes, is ready-made software product. Okay, 80% of code already developed. 80% of code already developed. Only 20% of code we are going to develop here. As Java developer, only 20% is. Within short time, we can finish project here. Okay, so everything is already developed. It's a semi-implemented software product. So framework is a semi-implemented software product. All are readily available. 80% of projects readily available. Only 20% is you have to develop it. Okay, so what is advantage of frameworks? See advantages. Advantages. So first of all, yes, we can reduce the code. We can reduce the codes. First advantage, we can reduce the code. We can reduce the code, right? We can reduce the code. So first one, we can reduce the code. Yes, if we able to reduce the code here, yes. So much big team is not necessary. Even small team also can develop the applications. So here framework main advantage, we can reduce the code. Small team also can develop here. That means we can reduce the expenditure here. We can reduce, yes, we can reduce expenditure. We can reduce expenditure, project expenditure we can reduce. Okay, right? Project expenditure we can reduce. Next, time of development also we can reduce. We can reduce time of development, we can reduce time of development. We can reduce time of development. Next, yes, we can deliver quality product also. We can deliver, yes, we can deliver quality product also. We can deliver, yes, quality products. Yes. So what's the reason? Quality product, how? See, framework 80% already developed, right? The framework developed by the experts. Experts have developed that framework, right? Suppose if we are developing complete code, yes, we may not good at the development, right? Maybe chance of getting more bugs. If we are developing, chance of getting more bugs. Okay, right? Yes, framework. So this was developed by the experts. Or is a tested one. Framework already tested one. No bugs. Everything rectified. Yes, already tested one. Framework is already tested one. No bugs in that, right? Okay. So here, when using framework here, yes, bugs will be less. Means quality product we can deliver here. So completely we are writing code means there is a chance of getting many bugs. Many bugs. Yes, since we are using frameworks, yes, we can deliver quality products. So generally, what is client expectations here? See, client expectations. Client expectations. Yes. So what are the client suppose if you purchasing any product, right? If you purchasing any product, first of all, quality, right? Suppose attending Java classes, that quality, right? Quality training, expecting quality training, in depth of training, right? Okay, quality training. Yes, next step. Yes, less cost. Yes, in less time, right? Expectations. Not only someone, anything, any client expectations. So quality product, first of all, quality, right? Maybe training, yes, maybe some, yes, purchasing some item, quality products. So client expectation, quality products. Okay, yes, with less cost, right? With less cost, yes, in a less period of time, in a short time delivery rate, in a short time. So this is client expectations, right? So quality products with less cost in a short period, in a short time, right? So this is client expectations. Okay, with frameworks, we can meet the client expectations here. With frameworks, we can meet the client expectations. So about framework. So this is complete Java overview. So about complete Java overview. Okay. Yes. So complete Java overview. Right. Let me save this one. I'll share with you day 2. So day 2. Yeah. Saved. Yes, I'll share with you. So this is about Java overview. So totally there are 4 editions of Java. 4 editions of Java. Out of 4 editions, we are using standard edition and enterprise edition. Standard edition just learning your core Java. Enterprise edition means learning framework and application development. That's it. So only these 2 editions you have to learn here. So others not necessary. Yeah, that's all about this. Okay, so that's all about Java overview. Yes, tomorrow, yes, starting from the basics. Introduction to software. First, we'll start with the introduction software like system software, application software, and about OS, what is operating system, and next about front end, back ends. Next, about low level and high level languages, low level, high level languages, and then yes, about interpreter compiler. So these things. Yes, if you good at all of these things, then easy to understand Java. So before going to Java, all these software basics from the scratch. Yes, I'll start from the scratch. Even non-IT background guys also can understand. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes, tomorrow starting actual classes. Even actual classes you can attend free of cost demo for 3 days, no issue. You can attend it, right? That's all. Yes, any doubts, guys? That's all for today. If no doubts, let us wind up session for today. Let us wind up. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great night.